Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download Airtable. All right. It's actually pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Now, once you're in here, go ahead and open up a new tab. And in the URL box, just type in Airtable download. All right. Once that's done, just hit on enter and make sure that you click on this link, which is on the first search result that has www.airtable.com. All right. Don't click on other links. Just click on it and wait for the website to load. As you can see here, you'll be able to download it via Mac, Windows, or even on App Store or Google Play Store. Now, say for example that you wanted to download it on your phone, just go ahead and open up your respective App Store or Play Store and look for Airtable. All right. If not, if you're currently using your computer, just click on, for example, Android right here and hit on install. Wait for it to load and it will list all of your phone right here. Now click on a drop down and select the phone where you wanted to install the particular app. Now going back, I'm going to install it on my computer. I'm just going to click on download Windows app right here and wait for the download page to pop up. And as you can see here, here's the download page. So I'm going to go ahead and download it or save it on my desktop and wait for the download process to finish. It's done. Either I click on this executable right here or go ahead over to my desktop right here. I'm going to double click on the setup, okay, and wait for a pop-up. It says here installing Airtable, just wait for it. Now go ahead and log in with your Airtable account, okay. Once done, as you can see here, it is now loading. I'm going to go ahead and maximize this one. And here you have your Airtable app. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.